guys, so we came out to the cabin. It's been about 2 weeks for me for being out here. My back was out all last week. I couldn't barely even move, so I did not get to come out last week. Gary and the boys have been coming out and going hunting this week, so they enjoyed that. But this is the first time I've been out here since the last video you guys seen of the property. So didn't do a whole lot, but I did get a little bit of Christmas decorations that I wanted to show you guys, so that's what this video is. And hopefully within a week or two we'll be able to get some of our stuff down here, or 3, hopefully before Christmas period, be in the cabin is our goal. So yeah, thought I would do a quick little update for y'all.